Good day everyone. My name is Evans Valsus and I'm here with my group members Candice Wade Franklin, Misterina Victor, and Mia Joseph. This will be our groups measuring the rate of transpiration by using a homemade potometer lab. The purpose of this lab is, as stated in the title, to see if we will be able to measure the rate of transpiration by using our homemade potometer. Before we get into the video, here is some background information that you will need to know. Transpiration is the exhalation of water vapor through the stomata. A potometer is a device used for measuring the rate of water uptake of a leafy shoot, which is almost equal to the water lost through transpiration. The rate of transpiration can be calculated by measuring the distance traveled by an air bubble in a capillary tube over a given time. Our group's hypothesis is that there will be a low rate of transpiration through the stomata.
Now that you know why we're doing this experiment, I'm going to show you how to make the potometer. Things you'll need: a paper cutter, however if you do not have one you can use a knife, a cardboard piece that is 40 by 5 centimeters, a scissors, a ruler, transparent or clear tape, glue, transparent bendable straws or a clear tube, container with water, colored water, a syringe, cotton thread, a pen, and a plant root. Now let's put it together. First, take your pen and measure 6 centimeters on your cardboard piece. Then draw a line parallel to the other dot. Once you've made your line, use your paper cutter or knife to cut a shallow slit over your cardboard and measure 4 centimeters and make a line from your 2 dots. Then use your knife again or paper cutter to cut a shallow slit. Now at a 90-degree angle, bend your corners and take transparent tape and tape them in place. This is the result. This time, you'll measure 27 centimeters to make up for the 27 centimeter straw. Then measure 8 to 11 so that you can bend it. Now, this is the result. Now at this time, you'll cut at your 11 centimeter point. So this will then become your second straw. Now at this time, at your 11 centimeter mark, you'll cut it and it'll be your first straw. And this is the result. Now at this time, we'll be taking our other 27 centimeter straw and cutting 1 centimeter into it so that we can take this straw and put it into that one. I put tape around it because it wasn't quite fitting. Now I'll take my shorter straw to put it in the diamond hold, and I'll be using my glue to adhere it. And this is the result. This should be your result. Here is the final product. And this concludes the how you make the potometer. I hope this helped. Now on to the experiment.
Once you have completed your model, you can now start by adding in water with your pipette through this end while closing this end until it is about 1 centimeter away. Once you have done that, you will now start adding in water through here while closing this end. Lastly, you will add water through this end while closing this end once more until it is almost to the end. Once you have done that, you can now record where your water has stopped, cover the middle portion of your model with some tape, add your plant in to the last section, and then wait 1 hour to see what has happened.
Good day. My name is Miss Victor and I'll be explaining the results of this lab. So the results is we see a lot of the air is left in the tube. It depends how much you leave it, like if you leave it for 2 hours or like an hour, it depends how much air is left. So we see that the plant is taking a lot of the water just for it to evaporate from the leaves. And this happens because when the plant takes up a lot of water, gas from the leaves or the stomata, the water evaporates from there, and that's why the air bubbles are trapped in the little tubes because the water is going up. Thank you. In conclusion, we saw how this Potometer or this experiment is the reason why plants need transpiration, because transpiration is like the loss of water through water vapor, and plants need transpiration because on hot sunny days the plant needs something to cool it down, so it takes up that water and it just releases it for it to cool down. And that's why you see a lot of air bubbles in the tube. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.